Hello, how is everyone today? Today I am going to be, well, it is nighttime where I live. Wherever you live, please comment down below and subscribe and like this video, please. And I'm going to be tapping on random stuff today. So here we go. This is the Shopkins. I love these. I've been trying to collect them all, but I keep ending up with the same ones. I got like 20 of these. And I want, if anybody hasn't seen the mini brands, I want you guys to check this out. That is so cute. Oh, upside down. No, it's not upside down. Yeah, it is. That is cute, guys. If y'all guys like these kind of videos, let me know and I will open mini brands and like Shopkins on here. I can surely do that for you guys because I love to watch mini brands open. I love to watch them when they open them. With this one open. I just got my nails done and I don't want to, oh, there. That's what it looks like. The club crackers. Well, these has kind of got sprinkles on. The ones I got before, they're different. They got sprinkles on. But these are club crackers. They're very cute. And I got these two. The pudding cups are very unique. These are like Shopkins Real Littles. I've been trying to collect them all. I just can't because it's kind of hard to collect them when you can't find them. Am I right, guys? And kids, please, I'm begging you, stop hiding mini brands and Shopkins in the stores because other people wants to buy them, not just you. I mean, I'm not trying to be rude. I'm just saying, I've been trying to find these forever, guys. Please stop hiding them. And this is what this one's like a pudding cup. These are like snack packs. That's what they are, snack packs. I knew they were called something. And this one looks like it's bit off a little bit. That's cute. But when I opened these, it didn't have like the paper it usually has on it. It didn't have it. And I was like, where's the paper? And I'm like, should I take them back? I mean, I didn't want to take them back because it's so cute. But I was going to take them back. My mom said, no, don't take them back. Keep them. I mean, you can color or like make your own paper. And I'm like, I can't make my own paper. My mom's like old-fashioned. She wants to do it the old-fashioned way. And I got these. I finally got these. I've been trying to get these right here because they're so cute when you open them. I just like when you open just a little can and then you pull out a stack of Pringles. That's so cute. I can't bear it. It's just so cute. That is so cute, guys. Look at that. It's so cute. And these are not my favorite. I don't even like these, but I just like the way it's made. It's kind of, they say it's kind of like for Barbies, but you kind of collect them. You're supposed to collect them, but it says it's for Barbies. Which one should I believe? The one where you're supposed to collect them? Or the one where you're supposed to like show them for Barbies? It's even got the price tag, like where you bring them up and stuff, but I'm not sure. But this is what I'm guessing a granola bar. That's what it's called, I'm guessing. It says granola bar up there. Granola, yes, granola bar. That is what a granola bar looks like. And it's even, this right here feels like real jelly. That's cute. That's cool. And then you close it up and it's just so cute. And I finally got the shoes. And I got the pink one. I'm gonna try to get like I think this is the left one. I'm not sure. You're supposed to get both the same sizes. This is the right foot. So I'm trying to get the left foot. And it's the real expensive sneakers I can afford. These are cute. Thanks whoever, if the person looks at this, the one who made Shopkins, please, and thank you so much for making these and making my day. I finally got the cookies. Okay, this is just cute. Like, seriously. You pull this open and you pull out a stack of cookies. Oh, that is so cute. Thanks for making my day. I am gonna be typing on random stuff because I'm bored. I don't want to do a video, and I don't have a mic either. So this is pink vanilla wish. So it smells like cake batter. That's what it smells like, cake batter. And I think that's what it is, cake batter. But it says pink vanilla. So it's vanilla cake batter? Vanilla cake batter. I think that's what it is. It's like lotion. That's what it is. It's lotion. It smells really good. Like super, super good. I love it. I get it every once in a while when I go out. Because just put some on your hand. Put some on your hand. It smells good, doesn't it? Yes. Okay. But this is super, super cute. I will be showing you guys some mini brands I got too. I wanted to show you guys those too. Where are my mini brands? Okay. Got my mini brands. I found one more I didn't even open. This is like golden something. Spicy brown mustard. We're gonna open. I didn't even check. I didn't even see this one. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, thanks for making my day. Whoever made these. Okay. Matter of fact, I'm gonna open the mini brands since I didn't open the ones. The ones I did open are still kind of open. So I'm gonna open this one right here. I got the Mentos. Oh, I want to get the Mentos. Okay, let's try the next one. Time to get it open. I got the peanut butter. That's so cute. I mean, this is like the normal. These are pretty much like for Barbies because they don't open, but you collect them like for Barbies. But these, they don't open. I don't know. These are like more for like Barbie style, if you know what I mean. The Shopkins are not, they're like more for like Barbie style too, but that's like more for Barbie style, the mini brands. But the Shopkins are more like collect, if you know what I mean. Next one, let's see. I kind of tore them apart, like separated the blocks. I don't know if they're called blocks or what. Let's see. Please be something good. Please be something good. Oh my gosh. I've got the chili. Now when I get the hot dogs, I can just put a little bit of chili on it. That's cute. These are more like for Barbie style because you can't open them. Plus, you can just throw them in the bucket and ring them up. That's cute. Let's see what else I got. This one. Brown. Okay. See what time it is. It is. Oh no, I can't see what time it is. Wait. 3:40 something in the morning. Damn. Okay, we're gonna finally open the last one. Here we go. Really? I hate these candies. I hate those. I really do. But it's like what Barbie likes, not like what I like. It's like for what Barbie likes, not what I like, so. I'm gonna stack them up and let you see what all the ones I got. This is my first time making a YouTube video, like with Shopkins, so if I'm doing something wrong, just comment down below and I will read your comment and I will reply. I promise you guys I will reply. I will not lie because I'm not a liar, and so yeah. I'm a very good responder. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. If I'm doing something wrong, please comment and I'll reply, I promise. Oh wait, we got one more. Okay, let's see. Oh my god, I've been wanting this one. Shaving cream. No. Barbie's boyfriend will like that. Okay, I'm still, before I do all that, I'm still gonna tap on a little bit more stuff. You know what? This is about mini brands and stuff. I'm probably doing something wrong. I hope you really like my videos, guys. And if y'all like to see more videos of this, please let me know down below. Please subscribe and like the video. I hope you loved it. And please let me know at the bottom. And I just want everyone to know, if you see this video, please go subscribe to my TikTok. It will be linked at the bottom. I will link it at the bottom for you guys. Please go subscribe. Love you all. Hope you enjoyed this video.